It all starts with an idea, but you never know where the idea may end up. Ideas take flight and spread. They can change, they can grow, and connect us. And sometimes things aren't always what they seem. In this fast-moving world, good news can move at the speed of light. So here at your school, we keep you informed. Welcome to the Mullica Morning Howl.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey, reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high 46 and low 27, and it's partly sunny. Here's a weather fact. Did you know the biggest hailstorm ever recorded weighed over 1 kilogram each? See you guys tomorrow, and happy National Cheese Doodle Day.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Monday, March 5th, 2018. Here are your morning announcements. Attention all interested middle school students wanting to participate in track and field. The school doctor will be here on March 14th at 1 o'clock. If you need a physical, you must make an appointment and pick up all the necessary paperwork from the nurse's office ASAP. Senior band meets after school. Junior band meets tomorrow at 2:40. Attention middle school students, chorus is starting up again for the spring. We will meet every Tuesday and Thursday morning from 8:20 to 8:50 a.m. Please see Ms. Ocheski in room 71 for a permission slip. All are welcome, including new members. Attention volleyball players, please meet in the gym doors at 2:20. The buses will be leaving promptly at 2:30. Remember, it's a double-header away game. This past Saturday, 4 students from Mullica Township participated in the South Jersey Elementary Chorus Festival at Washington Township High School. Lydia Vogel, Giovanna Marsuri, Mackenzie Cordry, and Kylie Belbert sang with over 150 students from the South Jersey region. Great job to all who participated. Before we go, here's the fun fact of the day.
Oh, hey guys, it's Kat back at you with another fun fact. Did you know that jellyfish can sting even when they're dead? What?
Hi, I'm Frankie. And I'm Julia. And we run the Student Council store. We know a lot of kids don't know about the store, so we want to bring the store to you with our new store deliveries. Have your teacher write down your name, what you want, and your room number, and we'll deliver it right to you.
Bring your orders down to Miss Conaway's classroom 81 so she can give the orders to us.
Or you can come down and see for yourself our whole school store. Everything's $1 or under. Also, if you buy 2 lead pencils, you get 1 free lead. And if you buy 2 decor pencils, you get 1 free sharpener. So come on down, and remember, everything's less than $1. See you at the school store. Bye!
Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining us, Coyotes. Enjoy your day. Do 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 do.